what is a good touch and bad touch? Can anyone tell me what is a good touch? Yes?
A good touch is a touch that makes us feel safe, happy and comfortable, like hug from parents or a pat on the back from the teacher.
Very good. Sit down. And do you know what is a bad touch? Yes?
A bad touch makes us uncomfortable, scared or confused. Anyone trying to touch our private part or forcing us to touch them.
Yes, very good. Sit down. So children, before we start with the safety rule, we have to remember no, go and tell.
Teacher, what do you mean by no, go and tell?
See, I will explain you. No का मतलब जोर से no बोलो. Go का मतलब वहाँ से तुरंत दूर चले जाओ. और tell का मतलब किसी भी भरोसेमंद इंसान को बताओ, जैसे कि मम्मी, पापा, टीचर, जिस पर आप भरोसा करते हो. तो बच्चों, मुझे लगता है कि आपको इतना समझ आ गया होगा. और इसके आगे आओ कुछ सेफ्टी रूल्स देखते हैं.
Safety rules for bad touch. My body belongs to me. Private parts are private. Bad touch makes you feel uncomfortable. Say no loudly. Move away and run to safe place. Tell or trust an adult. Never go anywhere with stranger. Do not keep body safety secret. Use the safe circle. It is never your fault.
So children, I think you all have understood the safety rule. Riya and Rahul's house.
Radhika,
Yes.
my boss is here. Make something special for him.
Okay. Rahul.
Riya on the way to classes.
Riya, what happened? Why are you crying? रिया, तुम्हें ऐसे किसी ने अचानक गलती से चॉकलेट नहीं देना चाहिए.
No, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं होगा. You will take it to the counselor tomorrow.
Riya and Rahul to the counselor. So, tell me what exactly happened? Riya and Rahul, you are so brave. Thank you for telling us. No child should hide such things. We are always here to protect you. What you did is exactly right. Child, sexual abuse can happen with anyone, a girl or a boy. Do you know about POXO? Do you know about POXO? The POXO Act, Protection of Children from Sexual Offences. Act 2012 protects every child under 18 years. It has very strong rules, important provisions of POXO. Rule number 1. Any bad touch or sexual abuse is a crime. Rule number 2. Trying to show private part, touching or forcing a child to touch is punishable. Rule number 3. If a child reports, teachers, doctors, parents must inform the police. Rule number 4. Police must record the statement in a child family. Rule number 5. Child cannot be forced to meet or see the offender again. Rule number 6. The identity is kept secret. Rule number 7. Punishment for offenders is strict from 3 years to life imprisonment. Depends on the crime. So children, law is on your side. You must always speak up. Feel free to call on our child helpline number 1098, which is available 365 days and 24/7. What is the child helpline number?